Welcome to Menchie's Art and Hobbies. As you know, gardening is one of my hobbies. That's why I'm outside today to show you my garden and my plants. Now it's the middle of April, and by this time it's still cold in Canada, but it's the time to prep our garden. So today I'm gonna show you how my plants look and also how I prep my seedlings, and I'm gonna make a bed for my strawberries. So come and see my plants. This yellow daffodils is the earliest bloomer in my front yard. See how lovely this yellow daffodil is. And my tulips are also budding right now. They will open up soon, and I will show them to you maybe in a few days from now. They have awakened from their hibernation in the winter. Also, my grass is really green. I have more daffodils here and a few more tulips in this side. And this tree is my lovely magnolia tree. It's colored purple and its variety is called lily magnolia. After the flowers, the leaves will come out after. Now in my backyard, these are my strawberries from last year, and I'm going to replant them. These are my asparagus. Look at this asparagus. It's ready for harvesting. You just snap it and you have strawberry, or you have asparagus, I mean. Okay, another asparagus. And let's see, more asparagus down there. Okay, these are my roses, wherein the leaves are starting to show up. Okay, I have different colors of roses, but still a long way to go before the bloom. This one is my apple tree. This tree has 5 different fruits because this is grafted into 5 different varieties. There's Gala, there's Montgomery, and Golden Delicious. I forget the 2 other varieties because I already removed the tag in the branches. The flowers are starting to show up right there. Now let's look at our grape. My grape vine is nothing but a vine. No leaves yet, not even one. What about this one? I'm paying attention to this one. This is my blueberry plant. I am hoping this would give me fruit this year. This is the 2nd year of that blueberry in my yard. I have other trees like this one. This is my plum, my red plum. Very sad. The leaves are just very small. This one is another plum. This is golden plum. The fruit is really yellow and so sweet. I also have cherry tree. This is also a dwarf grafted cherry with different kinds. I think 5 kinds also of fruits. Oh, so you see the buds? These are flowers that will come out soon. And aside from the trees, I also have a lot of flowering plants that I planted in this side here at the end of my garden. but you don't see them yet. We have to wait for a few more days. This time I am making my garden bed for my strawberries from last year because I am planning to transplant them in the bed so that they will give me more fruits this year. So making a bed is easy. Just dig the soil and then do some cleaning and a little bit of shoveling. Add some garden soil like that. A few garden soil would add nutrients to the soil that's already there for many years. And then let's replant our strawberries like that. Dig a little bit of hole and then put it in there. Okay, another one here on the other side like that. And maybe let's make 2 lines there and one more plant on the other side. So easy. The soil is still moist. There's rain most of the time during the spring. Let's put some mulch. I'll be using my dried leaves. The mulch will make the moisture lock inside the soil. And these strawberries want acidic soil. So in the water, I'm gonna add a little bit of fertilizer that has more acid in it. The brand is Miracle Grow. Miracle Grow has a lot of different kind of fertilizer here in Canada. So just a little bit, a few drops in the water. Stir a little bit and then let's water our strawberries. And then after a few weeks, I will show you how they are doing. Let's see if they will grow bigger. And let's hope for the best for my strawberries. My tomato seedlings has been inside for maybe more than a week now since I planted them. And usually the second week of May is the right time to plant outside or to replant outside. So what I'm going to do is repot my tomatoes so that I would let them be in one pot and make them grow bigger. This one is Roma tomato. So let's pick one Roma tomato and then repot it just like that. Put it in one pot, then add the soil. I always have soil from or before the winter comes. So the soil I just keep in the garage and then use it in the spring like this for the potting. Okay, like that. This soil is nutritious and will give my tomato a booster to make them grow bigger. Put a tag so you remember the name of your tomato. Then let's do our another kind of tomato. Cherry tomato, a smaller variety of tomato. Let's pick one. And then the same thing. Put the soil, cover it. Like that. My tomatoes look healthy anyway. So for sure it can stay longer inside for another maybe 3 weeks before I replant them outside. Okay, don't forget the tag. This one is cherry tomato. Okay, and then let's water our tomatoes. My water is a little bit blue because I added a little bit of fertilizer, like that. Okay, water your my tomatoes. So I will put them back inside afterwards. I usually put them in the window. Okay, so that's how I repot my tomatoes. I also have repotted my dwarf sunflower. I have a lot of them. They would be lovely as I replant them outside. I have big pots for them later in the summer. So this is how I prepare my seedlings, and they're just waiting to be transplanted. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it.